Good morning, children. So, as we discussed in class, that this time in your term exam, you have to upload PDF of your subjective answers in Google form. So, now in this video, I am going to teach that how you can create PDF, what all apps you can download on your phone, or if you have know any other way also to create PDF, like from images to PDF if you are creating, or any other you are already using, that is completely your choice. Okay, and then I'll guide you that how you will upload that PDF into the Google form. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, children, now here you can see that there are two apps on my screen. One is Adobe Scan and the other is VFlat. These two are scanners, and you can scan your file, your written content with these. What is the benefit of the scanner is that directly once you click the pictures from this, it converts it into PDF, so you don't have to do the conversion work later, right? So I'll be giving you the demo with Adobe Scan today. You can use any app or any image to PDF scanner which you have installed on your device that you can use. Okay, so I'm going to click the Adobe Scanner. The first page that opens is like this. So it is already on document, so like this it will come. Now I am going to create a PDF of 2 pages of your lesson 6, the class 5 book, chapter 6. I'll be taking 2 pages. I'll be clicking the picture of it and then creating the PDF as a sample to show you. So here is the book. I'm clicking the picture now. Clicked. You can just open it and see how it has come. Okay, go back and then move to the next page. Click the image of the next page like this. Done. Now what we have to see is that is there any cropping or something is required. So I'll click on crop. Now you can see it has properly taken the margins, so there is no need of any cropping or adjustment. So if you will be needing, you can do from here. Once it is done, click on the tick. Now let's check the second page also. This is also very clear, so no need of any cropping here too. So in case you get the background, your table or the bed sheet, you can crop it from the crop option which is given down. Now at the top you can see the name is given Scan August 25. So here we can change the name also. I'll click here and I'll be changing. So you all have to rename your PDFs after creating. I'm giving it my name, Amandeep. Okay, and then class, say for example I'm saying 5C. Okay, whatever subject it will, we will be writing the subject also. So suppose this is for computer, so I'm writing computer and then click on rename. So now it is rename. So then you have to click at the top, there is a save PDF option, save as PDF. So it is saving. Now it is saved there. You can upload this in your drive. My net is not on right now, so it is not showing this. You can upload it in your drive and you can use it, or you can upload it in your phone or whatever device, laptop or desktop that you are using. That also you can share it by your email or directly upload it in your Google Drive. Okay. See here in more we have an option copy to device or copy to Google Drive. So I'll be doing copy to device right now. Okay, so that is completely your option, your choice, that which one you want to go for. If you are using 2 devices, like you are creating the PDF on your phone and you are doing your Google form on your laptop or desktop, then the best option is you go for Google Drive, because then there will be no issue of transferring. You can simply open that same ID on your laptop and desktop and you will be able to see your file there also. So I am copying it to device, save. Okay, done. Okay, now we'll see that how we'll upload this PDF which we have created in our Google form. Suppose this is one sample form which I have created, right? This one I've shared in the class with you also. There, your subject teachers will be sharing these sample forms with you, where you will be uploading the PDFs, okay, for practice. Now here you have this is just a sample, so I have written my name, roll number and section. Then at the end you can see it's an upload sample file. Okay, so here you will be having your subjective question, so wherever you'll write that PDF is ready, so you have to click on add file. So this option will come. Now if you have in your drive, see the second option, first option is upload, select file from device. If you have in device, you'll go for this. If you have saved in your drive, then you will simply click on my drive option. Okay, so as I have saved in my device, so I'll select here device. So you can see files option is coming. You will not go for camera in any case, because here it will take picture, right? And you have to upload a PDF, that is a format only the form will accept. So the PDF which you have already saved, you will be picking up that. So go to files and then let's So here in my download it is there, so I'll just select this one and it is uploaded. Amandeep 5C computer, which I saved in my device earlier, and then I'll click on upload and it will be uploaded, and then you simply click on submit and it will be submitted. Okay, so this is the whole process, how you will be creating the PDF and then how you have to upload it. Okay, in case of any query, you are most welcome to contact me. Thank you, children.